So today our new topic is that the new classification of the diversity among plants. New classification. So according to the new classification, uh, the plants are divided into two categories. Number one is Bryophyta and number two is Tracheophyta. Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. Tracheophyta. Okay. So Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. So in Bryophyta, the non-vascular plants are coming. Non-vascular plants. So what are non-vascular plants? The non-vascular plants are those they have the absence of the xylem and phloem, means the absence of the conducting tissues. Okay. So here you can see that we can see that there in bryophytes there are three types. Okay, there are three types. We can say that in a non-vascular plant, coming in the non-vascular plants there are three types. The number one type is Hepticopsida. There are three types. Okay, so the number one is Hepticopsida. Number two type is Anthocopsida. Anthocopsida. And number three type is Bryopsida. Bryopsida. Okay. So here we can see that here you can see that there are three types, and this Hepticopsida, the class of the Hepticopsida is Hepataceae. Okay, we can say that Hepataceae. Hepat Hepataceae. Hepataceae, and the class of the Anthocopsida is Anthraceae. Okay, Anthraceae. 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 And the class of the Bryopsida, which are known and the class of the Bryopsida mosses. Okay, so the Hepticopsida. Okay, Hepticopsida, Anthocopsida, Bryopsida. They are in the category of the Bryophyta, the non-vascular plants. So they in this category, the example is coming. Not example. We can say example is coming liverworts. They are also known as liverworts. In Anthocopsida, hornworts are coming. Hornworts. And here in this musky. Okay, musky is the class and mosses are the example. Okay, example of the Bryopsida, the example of the hornworts in coming in the Anthocopsida, and the in Hepticopsida the liverworts are coming. Okay, so this is a new classification about these. Now let's come here in the Tracheophyta, that what are Tracheophyta. In Tracheophyta, the vascular plants are coming. As you all know that what are vascular plants. Vascular plants here, they are the vascular plants, means there is the presence of the conducting tissues. For example, xylem and phloem, they are the conducting tissues, and they are the vascular plants. So it means that they have the xylem and phloem present. Okay. So here they are also divided into the two categories. We can say that they are divided into the two categories. Number one is I can write here better, vascular plants. They are divided into the two categories, spermatophytes phytes, and number two is the non spermatophytes. The non-spermatophytes and the spermatophyte. The in spermatophyte, these are the seed bearing and they produce the seed. seed producing, and they are the seedless. Okay, they are the seedless man, means the non seedling, we can say that, not seed bearing. Okay, so here the non spermatophytes are the seedless plants, and spermatophytes are the seed producing plants. So here they are also divided into the categories. So in spermatophyte, the seed producing plants, here it is coming the gymnosperm and angiosperm. So in gymnosperm, they are divided into the gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, so now in non-spermatophytes, they are divided into the subdivisions. They are the four subdivisions: Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida, and Salopsida. So we can write here the divisions, that Lycopsida, okay, Lycopsida and Sphenopsida, Pteropsida, and Salopsida. So it's all about the new classification according to the uh, diversity among plants. Diversity among plants, according to the new classification, they are divided into the two groups: bryophyta, tracheophyta. They are further divided into the classes. Okay, uh, okay, in non-vascular plants, they are non-vascular, and they are vascular plants. It's all about that.